clip it all together. Let's go inside. The wiring harness we're looking for is right here. Male to the female. Looks absolutely factory. Hello, my Rover friends, and welcome to the Lucky8 channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install our dash cam for an LR4. This fits right behind the mirror, blends seamlessly into the interior, and gives you the ability to record as you're driving down the road in case something happens, or you want to use it for cool off-road footage. Excellent use. We often do that with our dash cams. I'm going to take you through step by step how to install this. Cue the intro. This installs quite easy. We're gonna just leave this outside the car for a minute. Splits in half. That's the same thing that we're gonna do when we get in the interior. We're just gonna kind of gently pull apart the little plastic trim around the rear view mirror. You will notice this wiring harness, it's got a jumper. We're going to unplug the wiring harness that goes to the rear view mirror, tap in with this, tuck all of our wiring harness in, clip it all together. Let's go inside. Behind the rear view is this little piece of plastic. I've cheated because I'm trying to do this with one hand, but essentially you just pop it apart like so. You know what, I won't be able to do that with one hand, but here is half of it. We're gonna get that out of the way on both sides. The wiring harness we're looking for is right here. I'm not gonna be able to kind of get that on camera as I pull it out, but I'm gonna gently push on this little tab, and well, I won't be able to do it with one hand, but we're gonna pull that out. Once I have it out, I'll show you, and then we're gonna put in our little jumper piece that looks like so. With the wiring harness out of the way, connect the male to the female, and then the little jumper piece goes back into the port right there. Everything plugged back in. Got your little connector here. That connects to the camera. Take time right now to remove the little plastic cover on the lens. We're gonna plug everything in together and then wiggle all the pieces. Whoa, here we go. All the pieces in place, snap it together. You gotta fiddle around with it a bit. The camera can be put on each side. I found it easier to put the camera in on the passenger side and kind of clip everything together. Once it's all in place, looks absolutely factory. With the camera in place, in the instructions is a little QR code. You want to scan that, download the app, and then connect or pair the camera to the app if you want to use it. I suggest at least connecting so you can shut it off because it always wants to talk when it starts up. I usually put it in silent mode so I don't have to listen to it. And then either use the phone or just use the SD card if you want to see the data. All right, guys, that wraps it up for this one. Be sure to follow.